Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make onion juice for faster hair growth. If you want to improve your hair growth, prevent hair loss, and also promote collagen production, continue watching. Onion juice. I'll be using red onion. I'll peel the onion. I would like to wash the onion. I'll be cutting the onion into smaller pieces for easy blending. When I'm done cutting the onion, I will add into a blender. I will blend into a smooth paste. When I'm done blending the onion, I'll be straining the onion with sieve to get the onion juice. Feel free to use cheesecloth. Try to press to squeeze out as much onion juice as possible. Onion juice has a lot of benefits because it will help to nourish our hair follicles, treat dandruff, and also good for hair growth. And it also contains sulfur, which will help to support thick hair, strong hair, promote collagen production. So when I'm done squeezing the onion, I will pour the onion juice into a jar. I'll be adding lavender oil to tone down the onion smell. Feel free to use any essential oil of your choice. I will stir to mix properly. I'll be showing you 2 ways that you can use this onion juice to improve hair growth. You can actually add the onion juice to your shampoo. It will help to cleanse your scalp. Choose any shampoo of your choice. Add a reasonable amount of the shampoo into a bowl. Add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of the onion juice, depending on the quantity of the shampoo you are using. Stir to mix properly with the shampoo. You can use this shampoo to massage your scalp and leave it for about 3 minutes, then rinse off and condition your hair. Another way you can use the onion juice is to make hair masks. Use any oil of your choice. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Add 2 tablespoons of the onion juice. Stir to mix properly. With the help of cotton pad or spray bottle, you can apply the mixture on your scalp and massage it. You can leave it for about 20 minutes, then you can rinse your hair. In this onion juice, we help to get rid of any scalp buildup and also promote hair growth. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.